All right, going to be taking a look at CBRIQ right now, currently traded at 12.41, 12 cents, 12 cents just shy of 13. Right now, you guys are making your way up, at least trying to. You guys are outside that upper boundary band. Yesterday, you guys had the RSI at 82.87, completely outside that upper boundary band, and right now starting to pull back down into it from what I'm seeing right now. I am going to put that support level right now at 10. Usually that's where it ends up being, right around that even mark of 10. We're going to put that right there. I'm going to watch for this 10-day simple moving average to start creeping up. In my personal opinion, with the volume dropping off like it has been, it's very good possibility it could end up pulling back down to that 10-day simple moving average. Or I'm sorry, the 10 cents right here. The 10-day simple moving average is at 0.627. That's quite a ways. But again, 10-day simple moving average, it'll be up there before you know it. So that's what we're going to be watching for as of right now. In my personal opinion, resistance is going to be at that 14. You're going to have one support right here at that 12 cents. Off that 12 cents, about 10 cents. So it looks to be about every 2 cents right now for this. Here we go. See what Joe can.
All right, so let's see. I was just pulling up all different things on it. So they had their latest press release was on April 10th, and that was a correction to a press release they had on April the day before. All right, it was cyber files for Chapter 11 protection and secures 41 million in DIP financing to fund ongoing operations during process, and agreed to an asset purchase agreement with Capgemini America. So let's see, CIBER Incorporated. So they were traded as a ticker symbol CBR on the New York Stock Exchange, and they were a leading global information technology consulting services and outsourcing company. So on April 10th, announced that it and certain U.S. subsidiaries filed voluntary petitions seeking relief under Chapter 11 of the United States Bankruptcy Code in the United States Bankruptcy Court and the districts of Delaware. This initiates a process intended to preserve value and accommodate an orderly going concern sale of the company's business operations. So CIBER has a commitment for up to 41 million in debtor and possession DIP financing, subject to the bankruptcy court approval, which is expected to provide the company with liquidity to maintain its U.S. operations in an orderly course of business during the Chapter 11 process. So prior to the Chapter 11, and subject to bankruptcy court approval, CIBER entered into a stalking horse purchase agreement with Capgemini to acquire substantially all of the assets of the company in North America and India in a sale process under Section 363 of the Bankruptcy Code that will be subject to higher and better offers. Through the proposed transaction, CIBER clients will benefit from the high levels of service Capgemini is known to provide its clients. CIBER's employees who bring with them a wide range of highly valued skills and expertise will benefit from joining a global leader in its markets. So let's see. I'm just going to read the statement from the CEO. So President and Chief Executive Officer Michael Bootstridge commented, with the advice and support of outside advisors, we explored multiple paths, including selling the company outside the bankruptcy process, selling certain assets of the company, and other transactions to restructure the balance sheet or raise capital, while also focusing on attempting to improve sales, reduce costs, and exit underperforming operations after careful considerations of the alternative available to maximize the value of the company. It's clear that the best path forward for the company, its employees, customers, and stakeholders is to accomplish a sale through the bankruptcy process. So, I mean, that's basically that, and it's still fairly new with this whole bankruptcy process. So, not really sure what's going to happen to the share structure. So, that requires more due diligence. So, if you want to do so, you go right over to the CBRIQ board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used on the site daily by posting right over there on that board.
And that's right. All this information that Joe was just going over completely free at your fingertips over here on Investors Hangout. With that being said, right now at 12.41, resistance at 14, support at 12 and 10. Might go sideways for a few days here. Watch for the bounce. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share this video. We'd appreciate it. Check us out live. investorshangout.com/live.